The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about a new phone on T-Mobile. It's the LG Q7 Plus. It's coming soon to T-Mobile, guys. So T-Mobile already has this phone listed on the support page. So if you guys want to check this out, this will be linked in the description of this video. So the Q7 Plus is coming to T-Mobile soon, guys. So yeah, so this is what the phone looks like here. So you guys have the front-facing camera. Airpiece screen right there. It has an 18:9 ratio screen there. On the left side you have your volume buttons, right side power button. On the left side also you have your SIM tray and SD card tray right here. It looks like it's available in this blue color, which I'm not a fan of. On the back of the Q7 Plus, you guys got the camera 5 spring punch sensor, Q7 Plus branding, LG branding right there. This back of it again. On the right side you have your power button. On the top you have your noise cancellation microphone. On the bottom of the Q7 Plus you guys get a headphone jack, Type-C charging port, microphone, and speaker right there. So yeah, it looks like a really nice phone. In my opinion, it looks like the Stylo 4 but smaller. This does have better specs than the Stylo 4 in some areas. So let's take this phone outside. The Q7 Plus has 5.5-inch display, LTE of course, Wi-Fi calling, voice over LTE, NFC, nano SIM card. It runs Android OS, Android 8.1 Oreo to be exact. So that's a win right there. Check out more features on this phone. I do like the design of the phone. In my opinion, it looks like the Stylo 4, but the Stylo 4 is way bigger. So the key features of this phone, like I said before, 5.5-inch display. It's Full HD plus Full Vision TFT display. It's an 18:9 ratio. 16 megapixel rear facing camera with face detection autofocus, and 8 megapixel front facing camera, 28nm battery. I don't think the battery is removable though. It's IP68 dust and water resistant, so that's a win. So the battery is not removable because it's waterproof, so I'll keep that in mind. Specs on this phone, as you guys can probably tell, 15 hours of usage time, 15 days of standby time, 28nm battery. It has touchscreen keyboard, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of RAM. That's a win, like flagship specs right there. 2 TB of micro SD card, Android Oreo, 1.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 450 processor, same processor as the Stylo 4. It has anti-theft, advanced messaging, device unlock app, emergency alerts, SIM card nano, system manager, carrier IQ, yes, T-Mobile video calling, yes. Connectivity options for the Q7 Plus is Wi-Fi 802.11a BGNNAC, Wi-Fi web browser and Wi-Fi sharing, Wi-Fi calling 2.0 NFC, Type-C, Bluetooth 4.2, phone browser, tethering APN, and all that good stuff right there. Your networks there, as you guys know, it has LTE of course. It has bands 2, 4, 5, 12, 66, and 71. LTE roaming bands right there. 3G, 2G, and all that. HD voice compatible, voice over LTE. The cameras on this phone are pretty good. 16 megapixel rear facing camera, 8 megapixel front facing camera, 4x digital zoom, LED flash, autofocus, face detection, multiple shooting modes, video recording, multimedia. There's your also there's your multimedia supports there and your formats and whatnot. So yeah, the specs on this phone are pretty damn good. I don't know how much this phone's gonna cost. I'm gonna say about $230. Maybe a bit more than that. Yeah, I'm gonna say $230 for this phone on T-Mobile. Because of the 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM, it may cost a bit more than that. Dude, I'm gonna say right now, between $230 and $300 for this phone. I don't know if Metro PCS will get this phone. I think Metro PCS should get this phone, guys, because Metro PCS, it hasn't been doing shit on phones this year. The only good phone they got this year on Metro PCS was the Galaxy S9 and the LG Styler 4. Other than that, Metro PCS ain't done nothing with phones as much this year. So the Q7 Plus will be a great addition on Metro PCS. Hopefully it comes to Metro PCS. We will have to wait and see. Yeah, what do you guys think about the LG Q7 Plus, and how much do you guys think that is going to cost? I say between $230 and $300 because of the 4 GB of RAM. It has great specs on it. It is water resistant, so that's good. The screen's a bit smaller at 5.5 inches. It reminds me of the Styler 4, but the Styler 4 has a bigger screen, bigger battery. Some of the specs are better on this RAM. Some, like, just Styler has a bigger screen, bigger battery. This one has more RAM, more ROM, and water resistance and stuff like that. I think it has fast charging on this one, so that's a win. So yeah, what do you think about the LG Q7 Plus? It's coming to the T-Mobile. Hopefully Metro will get this phone too. Hopefully. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.